Generally, if you want to select some of the edges or faces in a tangential connect means just to hold the control button and pick those edges manually. Suppose if you select the control edges, right click it and select tangent C. After selecting a select tangent C, automatically all tangential edges get selected. This is one of the simplest option and must need to know. Suppose if you want to select a total edges in a closed loop, just to select and right click it. After selecting a select loop option, the total connecting edges get selected. This is not only select the edges, also you can check whether it is in tangential connections or in a loop connections or it not in a tangential connection. Just right click it, select tangent C, then check it. Also you can use it for a sketch itself. Right click select tangent C or right click select loop. Also you can select other few options, open loop or some of the options. It is more helpful to model view components.